Hi everyone, this is a tutorial for RobotC. So the first thing you're going to do once you open RobotC is you're going to see this screen that says Introduction Start Page. You don't need this page at all. You can either right click to close it, or you can simply go over to New File, and that will open you up your own new page here. And once you open up this page, you'll see Task Main and you'll see some brackets. So everything that is within Task Main over here, from here to here, is where you're going to be typing your code. If you don't have task main written, then your code will not work. But before we get to the code, let's get to setting up the program. So the first thing you're going to do once you open RobotC is you're going to go over here to the text functions and look for something called natural language. Natural language is the language that we are going to be using to code the robots. And if this is not currently set up, in order to find this, you're going to go over to the Robot tab. You're going to go down to Platform Type, and you're going to go over to click Natural Language PLTW over here, and you're going to go ahead and click on this tab in order to open this up. Please also ensure that we have over here Vex Robotics clicked over here for Cortex, and these two parts will enable you to code the robot over here. So once those are clicked, you guys can go click out of that, and we're going to go over to motor and sensor setup. This is what will allow us to talk with the brain from your code. It will tell it to go from one to the other. So once you click motor and sensors setup, we're going to go over to the tab that says standard models, and you're going to go over to select configuration and RVW clawbots. So once you click RVW clawbots, the pre-coded sensors will be attached to the clawbot, and these are going to go and be where you plug all of these different ports in. So you just have to click RVW clawbot and then click apply, and you'll notice that in these different tabs, it then fills it out with all of the other information. So make sure that it says in the right port, left motor, claw motor, arm motor, right motor. These are the motors that we have for the clawbot. Make sure it's in the same place. And then when you're plugging the sensors in, you'll plug port 1 in, port 6, port 7, and port 10 into the right spots. So after doing that, you can click OK, and that sets up RobotC for what you need to do to set the program up. In the next video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about natural language and what all of these end up doing for the robots. If you have any questions, go to the next video.